YouTube? So welcome back to another video, another vlog for y'all boys again today, man. Yeah, if y'all didn't see the title and the thumbnail, basically we're going car shopping. As y'all may know, some of y'all may not know, I am on house arrest right now, and my house arrest is about to be over in less than a few months. So I'm trying to figure out a game plan and an execution. I really had the game plan and execution already set in stone, but now I'm just trying to put it together on some shit. Long story short, bro. Yeah, we're going car shopping because I'm looking for another car. Now, I have been slightly considering Mopar again. Y'all like, Monte, please give Mopar another chance. Please give Mopar another chance. And I'm not going to just blow Mopar out the window completely, but we're finna go look at some Mopars today, and I'm gonna see if I want to change my mind on Mopar or am I done with that shit for good. But I'm finna catch y'all when we slide to the dealership. I need gas and the dealership run, so yeah, let's do it. Oh yeah, so we at the we at the Mopar dealership right now, and hey, yeah, man, we looking around and things of that nature. We seeing a bunch of Duke Dennis trucks, a bunch of Mia Khalifa cars, nothing too exotic. We got a a Danny car right here. Yeah, I don't know who that is, but if she watches this video, she know who I'm talking to. We got a bunch of scat packs and stuff over there. Like, I don't know, I'm not really fascinated with scat packs, like. I had one, but I gave it away. So like, I only bought it to give it away. What little baby said, little baby was like, jumped in right inside the Hellcat and thought about no scat. That's the future of Mopar right here. I mean, it's not bad though. Like, it ain't terrible. What does it remind me of? It reminds me of like a fancy Dodge Journey, bro. I don't know. That's really kind of what it is. Just like a fancy ass Dodge Journey. My pops would go crazy for that right there. That's a LS. I think it's a 500. I don't know. 460. Wide body scat. Do I miss having a Charger though? I don't. Like, I don't miss owning a Mopar, bro. That's the crazy part about it. I don't miss owning a Mopar at all. Like, I feel fine. It's like that person that you thought you would miss talking to, but you don't. You be like, damn, I don't even miss that hoe. That's kind of what it feel like. That gray is tough. B5 blue. Lemon lime. Got a bunch of RTs. I don't want to see that shit. They ain't got what's going on, twin. They ain't really got nothing too crazy going on in here. We have a Hellcat. Ooh, that's what I came here for. I'm finna show y'all what I came here for, but in the meantime, they just leave Hellcat Durangos outside in Virginia. Like, ain't that kind of crazy? And C8s, bro. Like, that's kind of crazy. They would never do this shit in Atlanta. 2023 Hellcat Durango, black, all-wheel drive, black, white. All right, red seats. Now this is cool though. It's cool though. Cat logo. They should have made a red eye, Tricog and a red eye. Do you think they would have sold though? It would have been more costly to make, and then on top of that, I feel like it wouldn't be much of a difference. Besides the top end. Got a blue one right here. Then I got a C8. Is it crazy that I thought about trading my car in for a damn E-Ray? E-Ray C8. Bro, the E-Ray is tough, bro. The Z06 is less of my speed because I just head up beat a Z06 like from like 50, 60, 70, like I beat the fuck out of Z06. So it's kind of like, all right. And then at the end of the day, it's still just a Corvette. But what I like about the E-Ray is the fact that, bro, it's all-wheel drive, bro. Like, 0 to 60s in like 2.1, 2.0, like 2.2, 2.3. Like, that's ridiculous, bro. That's like plaid fast. So it's kind of like, you got to take your chance and get something like that. But I don't know what they're going for. I don't know the market price for them, so. This fucking Hellcat right here. This is what we came here to see. This shit is tough. I don't miss mine though. But I never had a Challenger either, so. I've had all Chargers, if y'all knew. I never actually had a Challenger. I never thought I would ever own a Challenger. I always told myself, I'll just get a Z01. It's fine. Which I would get a Z01, but a Z01 is not a red eye or any type of Hellcat of any sort. Not bad though. $10,000 marker, but they tripping, bro. They want 106 for a non-red eye. but got a sunroof in it. This car been sitting here for so long, I could tell. Alcantara steering wheel. Not a big fan of the Alcantara steering wheel, I'm not gonna lie. It's a jailbreak though. 2023, I'm pretty sure it's the last Call edition. Back seats. Oh, you know, this hella space back there. There's space back there. But this is not a red eye though. It's like once you get a red eye, you gotta get another one. It's like you can't just get it. I ain't even noticed that TRX outside. I already had too many of them, man. They keep getting stolen from me. He probably think I'm bullshitting, but I'm not. I don't know, y'all. What y'all think? What y'all think, man? Never had a Challenger. I thought it was a black Ghost at first because the top is matte and this is matte. This is tough though. I fuck with it. Should I go Challenger? Y'all want me to get a Challenger? They didn't have a Charger Cat in here. They had a Charger Scat though. Mopar? Let me know. Look at the TRX out here. You got a TRX right here. Tell me something. Maybe I should. That bitch ain't on red eye though. I would have to get a red eye. Or at least, you know, with Mopar, with Challengers, there's way too many trims, bruh. You get a red eye, you might say nigga with a demon. You get a demon, you might say nigga with a goddamn, what's the other one called? The 170. You might see a whole bunch of $20,000 market adjustment, bro. Bro, why? Like, bro, why? They still making these, bro. They still making them. So it's like, what the fuck? Like, what? Y'all tripping. Would y'all see me in a TRX? But TRX can't pull nothing, though. Huh? I know. This shit's slow as fuck, too, twin. I mean, it's faster than that shit. I mean, that's essentially the same truck. So if a nigga was to get one of these, right, could they convert it into this? Or like, so is the shell the same? Is basically what I'm asking. I mean, it looks the same. They look about the same. I ain't gonna lie. Nah, they a little different. But yes, twin, I really don't see nothing here. I was looking for a Charger, but I would go Charlie though. Don't tempt me. I get a Challenger, but I ain't gonna cap. We finna go to the next dealership right now. I don't know what the next dealership at. Maybe like BMW, Mercedes. We probably gonna hit up BMW and Mercedes. They probably don't got nothing out there, but it's worth going to. And then we will go to CarMax. I always go to CarMax. They ain't never got nothing at CarMax though, but I be going just to see what they be talking about. Let me see if this is a 500. I know y'all don't care, but I care. What is this? This a 500 or a 460? 500. All right, that's cool. All right, so we made it to the BMW and the Mercedes dealership. And what is the Audi doing here, bro? You were in the wrong server, bro. You can't hang in with the ops and you gonna get your ass shot. Is that an M6? It look like an M6, an M3, and an M5, all in the same area. I'm pretty sure these are customer cars, and it's an M2. I could be tripping though. That could be a 650. That's an M3 for sure. That's an M5. Yeah, and then it's an M2 in there. I ain't gonna lie. Them little ass M's. The baby M's. Look at that M2. If you got an M3 or M4, you basically got an M2, cuz. I ain't even gonna kick it to you. Oh, shit. I ain't want that shit to open. Y'all tripping. I wanted to see what the hell that was. Oh, M4. It's an old ass M4 too. Appreciate you. They got an M5 right there. They got all the M's. M2, M3, M4, M5, 650. M7, but no M8. They don't got what we got. They not having the motion. Yo, this fucking M4 comp is kind of tough though. It's kind of tough. It's really kind of tough though. Nah, it's smooth. I fuck with it. This one got the driver's assist package, which is OC to me. 2.7 series is down there, looking big body. ATS, ain't that a V6? They got two RS5s. They got an RS5 and then they got an S5. Let me see. Would y'all go RS5, old RS5 or new S5? I think there's some people, this is the debate some people be having. I'm not gonna kick it to y'all. They be like, I'm pretty sure they run the same price. Ooh, twin, if I had to pick, I'll go RS5, bro. I still go RS5. I don't care how old it is. Even though that looks very nice on the inside. And that one don't. Still gotta go RS5 for the one time. Still gotta go RS5 for the one time. So. They got a Z3. This is a Z4. I'm pretty sure this is a Z4. The Z4 M40i. Is that not a B58? Let me know. Is that not a B58? I think I'm tripping. I think that's a B58. I don't like the LCI, bro. I mean, but the LCI is tough. Like, I don't know. That's wishy-washy as fuck. I can't determine which one I want. I guess when it come down to it, they all really the same thing, bro. Like, I guess they all do the same shit. No power difference between the LCI and the non-LCI. This, that, and third. It's just my personal preference, I guess. And less features. Slide over to the Benz dealership. And then we probably hit up CarMax. Peep through there real quick. They probably don't got nothing, but I need to get gas, CarMax. Then I gotta slide somewhere else. So, yeah, stay tuned. Take a look. We got a big body Benz. This is what Baby was talking about when he mentioned big body Benz. This is about as big as it get. What the fuck? That's about as big as it. Oh, is that the new Mercedes? Oh, I think that's the new AMG. You finna see what it's talking about. Yeah, these brands got so much rivalry going on, bro. Let me know. Oh yeah, so my dog finna go grab me the keys to this GT55. And I appreciate it. What's going on, man? How you doing?
Beautiful day, man.
Yes, sir. This got the V8 still, right? So they didn't electrify it at all?
I mean, there are electric components to it to give it a little bit more horsepower, but it's not going to be true electric like the one inside.
Got you.
The SUV.
Rear seat delete, as y'all can see. I much rather prefer the four-door though. I don't know.
Really?
Yeah, I like the four-door GTs.
Really?
They've been I don't know. I'm just a four-door type of person. So
yeah, noticing what you're pulling up in, I see you're only rocking two doors.
Y'all, look at the new E-Class. Look at that screen. That's kind of like a scene. When I seen something in a Rolls Royce, they had the screen come all the way across. That was the Phantom I was looking in. Mercedes is coming different. They are coming different. I'm not gonna lie. This S-Class. This is what year is this S-Class?
Say that again?
What year is this S-Class? Like
this is 24.
24. Okay. Why? So the screen must be an option, or just
There's an option in this, and there's not an option in this.
Oh, okay.
The layout on this, correct.
Got you.
But,
All right, y'all. So like I said, man, they don't really have anything cool, but let me know if y'all like their look. They got a GLE. They got two GLEs back there. Now I actually thought about. They got an E-Class back there. Look like I actually thought about going GLE for SUV, but I see a lot of them though. Like I see a lot of them. I don't know. I feel like I need to just step different with the SUV. I mean, typically it's gonna come down to either like Urus, Trackhawk. They don't really make that many performance SUVs, and like I feel like SUVs starting to become the wave and shit. So it's kind of like they got a F-250 right there. That's an F-150. They're starting to low-key become the wave now. SUVs in the community, but to be honest, bro, to me, in my opinion, I don't think anything's touching either the Track or the Urus. That's just my opinion. The track car, you just can't beat the performance for the price. And the Urus, bro, is just having a Lamborghini badge just puts it in a whole nother category, bro. I'm sorry, that's just being real to me. So what about RSQA? What about RSQA? What about RSQA? It's still not a Lambo. Even though it technically is a Lambo, it's still not a Lambo. You know what I'm saying? I might just be overhyping the Urus, but alright, y'all, so I did not want to go to CarMax because they was tripping. They was like, well, you can't record in here. I just was like, alright, cool, I'm gonna just leave. But I went in vlogging, that's where I messed up at. My apologies. But they didn't, like I said, they didn't have anything. Like, you're not gonna see a Hellcat at CarMax, so it's like, what am I even going here for, you know? Boy, man, I love y'all boys. Y'all made it this far into the video. Comment white boat. Comment white boat, and I would like your comment, and that shows me who really rocking with me and who watched the video to the very end. Whoa, I thought I could leave from out here. I can't even leave. They hit me with a goddamn Jimmy John. Oh no, I can't leave from out here. I'm Gucci. But man, with that being said, man, I love y'all boys. Like I said, if y'all made this far into the video, comment white boat, and I will catch y'all in the next vlog. I'm gone. Peace.